This is our main board. The parts used are MSP430G2252, LM358 comparator, LM7805 and LM317 voltage regulators, and various other passive components. The main controller is an MSP430G2252. It handles the gathering of data from the two sensors and transmits it using UART through the Bluetooth module. The value of the HR sensor is taken through the ADC of the MSP, and the read switch input is taken as a digital value. Hence, the ADC is not required. The signal conditioning circuit consists of an LM358 comparator, which amplifies the sensor value by 10,000 times and sends it to the ADC of the MSP. The HR sensor itself is a photodiode and IR LED pair. This detects the changes in volume of blood by using the amount of light reflected by the finger. The Bluetooth module is a BlueSmoke Gold from SparkFun. It has a UART chip built in and handles the TX and RX through SPP, which stands for Serial Port Protocol. The MSP is connected to the BlueSmoke, and this transmits data through Bluetooth to the Android phone. The reed switch is used to measure the speed and distance of the bicycle. The reed switch is mounted on the fork of the bicycle, and the magnet is mounted on the wheel. For every rotation of the wheel, the switch is triggered once, and this increments the value of the counter, which is used to measure distance and calculate speed. The power supply circuit consists of an LM7805 and an LM317. The LM7805 is used to provide a constant 5 volt to power the LM358 comparator and the BlueSmoke. The 317 provides 3.3 volt to the MSP430. This shows our complete setup with all the parts laid out. This is the main board with the MSP and the signal conditioning circuit. This is our power supply circuit. That is the clip which holds the HR sensor to the finger. This is a reed switch sensor. As you can see, there is a capacitor, a reed switch, and a resistor. This is a BlueSmoke module which is used to transmit data. This is how the setup looks when it's in a compact form inside the box. This shows our setup in action. The HR sensor is clipped to the finger as shown. The green light on the BlueSmoke indicates that it is connected to the Android phone. The reed switch is attached to the fork of the bicycle, and the magnet is attached to the wheel. As we rotate the tire, the values are transmitted to the phone and they are displayed on the phone as shown. The HR value is updated every 30 seconds and speed is updated every 1 second. Here we get a better view of the app which is running on the phone, which shows the distance, speed, and heart rate. Here we are performing indoor testing. Indoor testing was required to calibrate the sensor to obtain accurate values of heart rate. The sensor was calibrated by setting the ADC value and comparing the heart rate obtained with the pulse taken manually. The sensor was isolated from external light by using black foam which we attached to the clip.